Let's take a moment to learn about soffits and the options, either from Lowe's or Home Depot at my price point. Aluminum, alternating vented, and solid. Solid, it's 27. Remember that. Vented, okay, it's 24. This all gets sprayed black, right? So now we're talking the connection pieces. So this is a J channel. Supposed to look like a J. This is on the edge of the roof. This is on the edge of the roof, so the soffit will fit underneath. But on the house, it's more of an F channel. So this looks like an F. This is an F channel, meaning this will go on the home, and then this channel is where the fitting would go into. That groove. So I need to add $169 to the project. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of videos, and the people who have the pneumatic, is that the word? Stapler gets the job done. Fact-finding mission about product and prices. So, all right, we're good. Let's go home and let's start the show. All right, first section. I'm just doing some math. The soffit panels are 12 inches wide, but they're 12 feet long. And I'm cutting them in 36-inch sections, which is giving me 4 pieces of paneling, but it looks like I need 13 to cover the area. So here's the thing, once I start ripping this down, there's no leaving it open. I have to finish it. I have to finish that section or have something temporary in place to cover, because I don't need an open invitation for critters, bats, squirrels, or mice that decide to make it their new home. So I have to be strategic about my timing on this. Oh, I'm tempted to rip that down to discover, but I'm not ready for what comes next. Yeah, let's build a jig. You wanna know something? When I did the U-Haul, there were entire episodes that were all about the failure of this, and I did everybody a favor because I never complained. I'm now on the next project with a reminder that this doesn't work. Come on. Say a little prayer for me. Come on. We have to add a little more money to the project because I can't test this new jig because this is needed. Let's pretend we're gonna use it. This is the saw. Okay, the edge goes in there, and then cha-chung. So yeah. That's my contraction. Okay, so listen, today's the day, the demolition day. I have assessed the problem, I have measured the problem, and I have cleaned the problem. But now, this is the first time that I'm gonna get up there, and I believe the wood is so rotten that I'm not gonna have to work hard to pull it down. Let's go. As bad as this is, it's not going to come down as easy as I would like. Okay. All right. The goal today is to remove the old soffit, see exactly what I'm dealing with underneath, and figure out what materials. We're gonna go make a Home Depot run. Bringing these to Home Depot, I'm gonna need the snips because the aluminum will not fit into the car. I'm gonna need this marker to make a straight line. One of these to today. So here's the deal. From this point on, I'm gonna keep a running total right here of how much this project's gonna cost. We're gonna need a controlled environment spray box. Some J channels. You know what comes next is the most expensive part of this ride, and that is I gotta buy tools.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
So I have 12-foot channels sticking out of the Jeep. I can't have the wind bend them. So anyway, I'm gonna see you at home. We need ear protection. This will go here. Yeah. Absolutely. Okay, so that means all the nails, all of this has to be properly cleaned out. And oh, it's gonna look nice. 35.5. Let's go see if the jig works. You in on some thoughts. I'm not happy with my work. No. I'm learning that the painting isn't working. You know they make black gutters. I either can't get them or I can't afford them. They have brown ones. I think this video ends on a sad note. So I'm going to just put the white up. I need to close it off. It's getting late in the day. I'm not happy with my work. Some of it, the wind is out of control. The spray paint is a mess. So I'm a little frustrated. Let me get back with you. Here's the deal. A percentage of me is discouraged. Even though I understand, I'm discouraged that I didn't master it on the first try. Standing in here without my glasses, it looks good. It's not right. This wind on top of my skill set on this new project was a problem today. These things were sails. But you know what? Standing in here looking up, whoa, whoa. The project was never going to be done in this one video anyway. I wanted to do this. I didn't do it correctly, but I've learned a lot today. So yeah, the paint texture, it's not good. Purchasing brown. Putting the lip on first, that's a mistake. Meatball. And when I master it, I imagine I'm gonna pick up my speed. Are you okay? Thank you for being so patient.